You will not find a SUNY campus that has the facilities, equipment, and programs that tie into the entire food system like we do here at SUNY Cobleskill.
We have a 2- and a 4-year degree. I like to mention to students that they can get two degrees in 4 years. Down the road, it will help them quite a bit.
They focus on farm to table, so you get to learn about from the beginning all the way to when you're cooking it.
It's a really, really amazing program. If you want like hands-on experience and not such a huge school, this is the place to be.
We strive to get you to get a base of fundamental skills that you can build on.
What I was looking for was something that didn't throw you right into it. A lot of the programs I looked at, they just started you right off cooking for people, and I wasn't comfortable with that yet. I didn't have a lot of experience. Now, this year, I'm starting to actually cook for people, and I feel comfortable doing it now.
I'm not thinking about the student graduating and going into a cook's job, or a line cook's job, or even a sous chef job. I'm thinking about a student 10 years from graduation being an executive chef or a manager, and the skills that are going to be necessary to manage in the kitchen. The accounting, the scheduling, the ordering, the menu development, the staff development. So we take advantage of the business faculty on campus, and we kind of give our students two sides of it. We give them the culinary side, and we give them a strong business side.
There were people who I knew who just thought they liked cooking and came here like me, or there were people that were in BOCES and took classes beforehand, but we were in the same classes, but we all felt like we were still learning. So it was a lot of setting us up properly to excel after college. I really love the faculty. They're good at teaching. They're not just chefs who know how to cook, they're chefs who know how to teach how to cook, which is something that you definitely want in a school where you're learning how to cook.
Oh, they are so helpful. They really do care about the students and our well-being.
I think our students leave the program with a set of employability skills that can get them an entry-level job to a lower management job in hospitality.
You build your knife skills, you learn a lot about the actual animals, and then you're getting in these labs where it feels like a real kitchen. It doesn't feel like a class, but you're also working with your peers, so there's that comfortable setting where you don't have to worry, if you mess up, it's not the end of the world.
And you walk out of here with so much experience and just so much knowledge about culinary and the history and what goes into it and the hard labor, because culinary is hard, but it's worth it.
It feels like the proper way to learn how to cook.